Hi, it's Brian Emmanuel, back again on 88 Rising with Cooking with Brian. So, today we're going to be cooking an omelet, but not just any omelet. I'm going to cook this in 2 minutes and, we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we have some eggs over here, and we got some salt and peppers, and we got some butter over there. And yeah, I'm going to time myself doing it. So, all right, let's see. Let's go. All right. Okay. Wow, this is really this. Okay. Let me put some pepper, some salt, just to add a little taste. And you gotta scramble the eggs because I'm making an omelet. And okay, let's go. Let's heat up the stove. How do I do this? Okay. Now, we put the butter in the stove. So, okay. Okay, wait. So now we're gonna wait till the butter gets hot, and we're gonna put the eggs in. Okay. So, all right, here it is. How does it smell? So I'm just gonna roll this around like a regular omelet, and yeah, fuck this shit up. And when you make these omelets, you just really gotta make sure you don't leave the stove on for too long because you're gonna burn them. And my brother, he really loves omelets, but when I make these for him, he would tell me, "Hey man, it's burnt." It's crazy. Alright. Hold on. Alright, now we're gonna turn on the stove, and we're gonna put this on a plate. Let's see. And now we're gonna. Okay. Alright. 1 minute and 58 seconds. Okay. Now we're gonna have someone in the studio try it. Monica, come here. Let me just try it. How's it?
Well, actually, Brian, this is really good.
Thank you.
But it could have been a little better. But considering you did it in 2 minutes.